few years later, in 1981, Hideo Kodama invented two methods for creating three-dimensional plastic models using a light-sensitive polymer. In 1984, several projects based on stereolithography were presented and patented. This process involves adding layers using UV lasers to cure photopolymers. Around this time, a system was developed to create three-dimensional objects by generating a pattern of the object to be formed, which led to the STL file format widely used in 3D printing today. In 1992, 3D printing machine. The machine used a UV laser to solidify a photopolymer layer by layer, creating three-dimensional objects.